Hey guys, it's your boy Unspoken Game Plan, and just gonna give you guys like a quick, pretty big pack opening. I hope you guys are okay that I didn't record in a pretty while. Didn't really have anything to record, and I was sick. Still a little bit sick now, and hopefully we can pull some of these new Team of the Week cards. Right here we get an 84 overall, not bad. Maybe we can get some of these new cards. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to be loud, but last card. Here we get a 77 overall. Come on, EA. Seems like every time I say come on, EA, I get something good. But I don't think that's gonna, yeah, it's not happening today. Come on, Electronic Arts. Oh, that's not a bad pull. I need a backup quarterback anyways. Maybe we can get something even better than that. Nope, not happening. That's what EA does to you. Hopefully we can get at least one elite pull. Right there we get an 81 overall Darius Slay. That's about it. Got about 64K left. I've been sniping cards here lately. Got pretty good. I got a few snipes today. Get a 72 overall. I know he doesn't go into the captain. I don't even know why I clicked on him. I think it's the Texans is the only one that has a, and the Kansas City Chiefs are the only ones that have like a 72 overall in their captain sets. Right here we get another 72 overall and a 75. Seems like we're not going to get any new Team of the Week pulls at all. Thought about opening up one of these new packs, but it's 50K and you only get only 3 chances of getting an elite player. So here we get a 76 overall. Not much of a pack opening so far. Right here we got a Team of the Week, Jabal Sheard. Let's go. I've been waiting for this. I want to check and we'll check and see his price at the end of the pack opening. I seen the flash of green. I was like, oh, finally. I didn't really open any packs when that new Khalil Mack came out either. The new 95 overall one. If I don't get anything good, I'm going to start quick selling. Because, yeah, start quick selling because so I have a little bit more, I'll have enough to open up a couple more packs. Like right now I'm at 20,000. We got about one more pack left, and then we're gonna go check and see that Team of the Week card that we pulled to his price, and then I'll wrap it up. I'm glad we pulled an elite though. Reveal all. We get the new, well, not really new, but an 82 overall and a 72 overall. All right, now we'll go check and see what the new card we pulled price is, and then wrap it up. Program. selling for, wow, 27K. It's not that great, but it's okay. It'll work. You know what? Let's quick sell some stuff. We might have enough to open up one more pack. Maybe it'll be a lucky pro pack. That's 1,600. Never mind. He's in our lineup. I don't know why. He's a silver player. Alright, there we go. We have enough for one more pack. Maybe we can get a lucky last pack, which more than likely won't happen, but we'll take this one slow. We get a Josh Bonds. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the pack opening. I might be recording a little bit soon, even though Christmas is coming. I might not. Probably drop a lot on the Christmas promo. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.